Hey guys, and welcome to Koh Samui. One of the most talked about islands here in Thailand in 2026. But we're here to explore Chaweng, Lamai, the beaches, the streets. So stick with me over the next few weeks, because this is just the beginning. Look at this, absolute beautiful, beautiful. But what we do for now is we just go for a bit of a stroll up Chaweng Beach, because this is absolutely stunning. Look at this. And as you can probably hear, I am walking in the water, but look how clear the water is. Look at this. Crystal clear. It's fabulous. As you can see, lovely blue skies with some scattered clouds. If I turn around this way a little bit, you see some darker clouds up there. But I've been here a few days now. They don't last long, they normally just blow off into the wind. But yeah, it's currently 32 degrees Celsius. And that water now that I'm walking in is actually very warm. Stunning. Just look how clear the water is. It's beautiful, isn't it? We have all the beach resorts all along the beach. Like that one there is Chaweng Gardens. And that's currently where I'm staying. So if you are watching this video, I will be doing a review for Chaweng Gardens Beach Resort. It will be up probably after this video or the next video. But yeah, it's really nice in there. I'll definitely do a walkthrough, show you the room, another small little bits and pieces that might be able to help anybody who wants to stay here in Thailand, in Koh Samui more so. The guy with the lilo beds, look at, he just builds that and then sits in the middle of a shade. It's class, isn't it? So I was just wondering, has anybody been here before who's watching? Let me know in the comments. Always keen to talk to other people who has been here before and all the other places that I have been. So just over here, right, this area here, it's called Ark Bar. Now, I'm purposely recording at this hour, as it's about 1-ish in the day, I think. But this place over here just goes absolutely off. DJ up here, pool bar. Goes nuts, but the music is that loud and the bass is that deep. It's absolutely class. But yeah, due to copyrights and other malarkey that goes with it, I'm not recording it because I'll only end up getting a copyright strike. But in saying that, there's going to be bars up here that will be playing music, so if I do have to put music over the ambient sound here, apologies. The beach is a bit rocky there. That's going to make me way up into the softer sand. That is thumbnail perfect. And you always get this rock out here. See this rock on low tide? Like, I'm walking in my bare feet here, guys, and that sand is pretty sharp. So maybe you need to probably take some flip-flops or sliders with you if you're planning on walking on that part. But I tend to like walking in me bare feet because sometimes I like dipping my toe in the water. But that part there, now that was pretty sharp. So there's your typical massage prices here on the beach here in Chaweng. It's about 400 baht for a Thai massage. Back and head massage, 45 baht. It's pretty cheap. 60 minutes too. No. 400 baht. 400 baht is about 10 euros. If you can do the calculations for everything else. Here's another one here, so yeah, similar prices. Massage, 1 hour, 400 baht. So the dearest one on that there as well, 450. Coconut massage, again, roughly about 10 euros. Well, how you getting on? It's a great walk, isn't it? I swear to God, it's absolutely boiling. But it's that quiet here, right? It's so quiet, you can actually hear a pin drop. It's so good. Well, I hope you're enjoying the walk, guys. Look, plenty more to come here. You know, we're gonna get down Chaweng Road this time-ish, just to show you what it's like around lunchtime. We're also gonna try it in the evening time, just to show you. Probably do the hotel, as I said. I'm gonna get down to Lamai. Gonna go to Fisherman's Village as well, you know. So guys, there's plenty to come in this Koh Samui series. And obviously I have other videos as well, like, you know, from Vietnam. Massive Vietnam series coming as well. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and let's continue the walk. You'd wonder why they're up so high, wouldn't you? I don't know, I've seen the tide going up that high. And look at the large steps here as well, look at. As you can see from the beach, like, the tide doesn't come in that much. It's just, there's the line there, like, so tide in, tide out. It's very minimal. There's a bit of a fresh breeze there now, it's beautiful. So we look around and we capture that beautiful view of the hills there. Stunning, isn't it? So you get your typical massage parlour there. That's pretty cool looking up there, isn't it? It's very traditional looking. The roof and that. Look at the way that palm tree has grown, it's pretty cool, isn't it? I'd say something happened there with the tide too. You got similar palm trees there. Look at the shapes of them. So cool, aren't they? Hey, look at the roots, completely washed away, all the sand. Yeah, so as you can see guys, this beach just keeps going on and on and on. But it's so peaceful. Such a lovely walk. Yeah, you can walk, you can continue walking all the way around to that part. And that in front of you there is an actual little island. But again, it's so ambient, you can just hear a pin drop. It's beautiful. I love this place. What a perfect walk on a perfect beach. That's picture perfect there, isn't it? It's lovely. Rightio guys. Absolutely sweating. Well, if you're still watching the video guys, I just want to say a big huge thank you. Thank you for all the support. Thanks for watching the video, thanks for walking with me. But as I said, more to come. And if you're still watching the video at this time, if you can please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Helps the algorithm. That breeze there now, I can feel it now. I don't know whether you can see the sweat on my forehead. But yeah, that breeze now, so really appreciate that breeze. Yeah, but if you're still watching, thanks a million. Until next time guys, adios. Slán